Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a cash display GUI in Roblox Studio, so it'll just display the amount of money you've got on the left side of your screen. So the first thing I need to do is make sure I've got a cash leader stat in my game. So what that means is when you load into the game, on the top right it says squiddings and the amount of cash that I've got. So my game already has that. If yours doesn't though, I have a tutorial for leader stats, which I will link in a card at the top. Right, so now we need to make the GUI itself. So how we can do that is go into Start a GUI and insert a screen GUI. I'm just going to turn on Ignore GUI Inset and I'm going to call it Cash Display. And then I'm going to click the plus and I'm going to add a text label. And I'm just going to customize it slightly. Turn on text scaled and I'm going to make text X alignment to the left. And then I'm just going to drag it here, change the font, and that looks alright. Right, so now I'll just change that to $0. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making this be automatically displayed or automatically changed based on the amount of cash the player has. So now we need to insert a script into this text label or a local script, and I'm just going to call this update label. Right, so now we can start scripting it. So the first thing we're going to do is make a variable for the leader stats folder, so local leader stats equals game.players.local player wait for child. I'll just zoom out so you can see what I'm doing. Leader stats, and then local value equals leader stats wait for child, and then whatever your cash variable, whatever your cash value is called. So for me, it's just called cash. For you, it might be called money or something else. But for me, it's just called cash. But that's why we're calling it value. Right. So what we're going to do is we're just going to say value.changed connect function. And then we're going to say script.parent.text equals, and then a dollar in 2 quotation marks, and then dot, and then toString value dot value. Right, now we can just copy this line and we can paste it again above this value dot changed, so it sets it before the value's changed. Right, so now if we just play test our game, so click the play button and wait for us to load in. So right, now we're loaded in. As you can see, it says I've got 450 cash. But if I step on here, you'll see it changes as my cash value goes up in the top right. So that was how you can make a cash display GUI in Roblox Studio. If you found this helpful, then please subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.